Assalamu alaikum, grade 3. You have to do the exercises that I have given you. The first one, I'm saying write a daily routine diary of your father. This work I have given you before winter break, and now we will do this. There is the instruction that I have given you. Use simple present tense. I told you for the daily routine diaries, we use simple present tense. And in the class, there are a lot of practice is done about the tenses. And today I will show you your previous page of your notebook. This is the work on 22nd of October. And there is a sample diary of Asim. So I have given you on 27th October this routine diary of Asim, and then I asked you to write this diary according to you. You have to replace Asim by you, means you have to use I. So this is the copy of Ariba Gul, and today she will read the diary of Asim. Then you can know how you have to write your daily routine diary of your father. So Ariba, start reading of this.
Asim wakes up at 5:30 a.m. in the morning. Then he offers his Fajr prayer and goes for a walk of 30 minutes. Then he comes back home and takes a bath. After taking bath, he drinks a glass of milk and then eats 2 slices of bread. After breakfast, he puts on uniform and comes out for school.
He reads. Underline this. He reads. Reads. All verbs are underlined by yellow color. Okay. School.
School at sharp 7 a.m.
So you see wakes. This is the simple present tense. Wakes and offers and then goes. Why have you done the walk? But for a walk. Now this walk is not considered as a verb. Okay. There is only a verb that is goes. So raise this one. Walk is not as a verb here. I told you. I explained this thing. So this diary is written by you again for yourself. So now you know for I we don't use s with verb. Here we use simple present verb, and with simple present verb we added s. Like wakes there is s, and offer not offers, because Asim is a singular noun. So singular nouns we add s or es with verbs. Go, goes. Now you see there is the word goes, comes, takes, and drinks, eats, then puts, comes, reach. So Ariba, now you read. What have you written about yourself?
I wake up.
I woke up.
I woke up.
Oh, sorry. Here, I wrong. I wake up. Yeah. Because this is the simple present tense. Yeah,
I wake up at 5:30 a.m. in morning. Then I
offer. Okay, you remove this s, because for I we don't use s. I offer. Okay.
offer my Fajr prayer and go for a walk.
Yes, underline this go with yellow, because the go is also verb. Here goes, because this goes is for Asim, and here is go. Okay.
For a walk of 30 minutes. Then I come back home and take
underline this take with yellow.
A bath. After taking bath, I drink a glass of milk and then eat.
Underline this eat with yellow. I am highlighting the verbs with yellow that you can understand.
Eat 2 slices of bread. After breakfast, I put on uniform.
Put on. This is yes. Put on.
Put on uniform and come out.
Come. Underline this come. This come is again a verb. Come out.
come out for school. I reach school at sharp 7 a.m.
Well done. Now you have to write once again your father's diary on the next pages. This is the right page. So think about what does your father do. This is a schedule of Ariba's father. She shared us the timings of his father in a day. Okay, Ariba, what does your father, at what time your father wakes up?
My father wakes up at 6 a.m.
Okay, then what does he do?
Then he go for
He goes for jogging at
6:30 a.m.
Okay, at what time he takes the breakfast?
He takes breakfast at
7 a.m. Then what does he do after breakfast?
He drops us for school at 8 a.m.
Very good. Now this is your copy and start writing. Okay, start writing now. Very good. Full stop. You have completed one sentence. Okay. Then when he wakes up after waking up, what does he do?
He go for jogging.
He what?
He goes for
Yeah. For jogging. Okay, and okay, start writing.
after breakfast.
After jogging, not after breakfast. What does he do after jogging? What does he do after jogging? You didn't write here, but you can tell me. What are you writing? What does he do after jogging?
Shower.
Okay, he takes shower. Okay, so right after jogging. J is in below 3 lines.
He
And then
then he
he
takes
okay.
breakfast.
Full stop. Now, okay, after breakfast, what does he do?
He drops us for our school.
Okay, loudly. Bache, what does he do?
He drops us for our school.
Okay, so right. Okay. Then
he reaches at clinic.
okay, he's a doctor. Is he a doctor?
Yes.
Okay, so he reads his clinic. Okay, so right.
For
Not for. He reads at clinic. Okay. At. We use at. He reads at clinic. He reads at clinic. Oh, he reads to clinic. Sorry. Erase it. He reads to clinic. He reads to clinic. Yeah. He reads to clinic. At what time? At
8:30
8:30.
a.m.
Okay, he reads to clinic at 8:30. Then
Then
he attends the patient. Okay, he attends the patient there. So what does he do? At what time he takes the lunch? Does he come for the lunch break?
yes,
Yes. Okay, so at what time?
he comes back for lunch at 1 p.m.
Okay, so right. Okay, Ariba has written all his daily routine diary about his father. So she highlighted all the verbs with yellow that you can understand. We use simple present verb in all daily routine diaries. So for routine work, we use simple present tense. So Ariba, read this all diary about your father.
My father wakes up at 6 a.m. He goes for jogging at 6:30 a.m. After shower and then he takes
Lovely.
breakfast. He drops us for our school. He reaches for clinic at
To
8.
clinic.
He
He reads to clinic.
reaches to clinic at 30 a.m. He comes for lunch at 1 p.m. After lunch, he goes back to the clinic and returns home at 5 p.m. After reaching home, he takes green tea. He helps us in homework from 5 to 7 p.m. He uses Facebook from 7 to 8 p.m. Then he takes dinner at 8 p.m. He goes to bed at 9 p.m.
Wonderful.